Hey guys, welcome to Tech2, the one-stop shop to get your awesome dose of tech. Here's where we will be taking you through the latest products, tell you all you need to know about them. And today, we are here to take you through the Canon digital camera. So without further ado, let's dive in. First look. This black sleek camera packs in carbon fiber reinforced polycarbonate body with a 3-inch screen of full HD resolution. It is ideal for one-handed usage thanks to its light weight of only 475 grams and the ample rubber cladding on the right-hand side of the camera, which offers a very good grip. It measures 7.76 centimeter into 12.9 centimeter into 10.13 centimeter with all major controls on the right hand side, making it easy to access almost everything. Now let's come to the specification. This camera comes with a scene intelligent auto mode, creative filters and background blurring to fulfill your creativity skills. It comes with an APS-C CMOS sensor of 24.1 MP and an ISO range of 100 to 6400 to take clear zoomed images of superior high quality with little noise. The Digic 4 Plus with 9 autofocus points provides speed and accuracy of autofocus and burst photography. Equipped with EFS, mount compatible with all EF and EFS lenses to give you the best photography experience. Now let's see the performance. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built-in, giving you the ease of remotely controlling your camera and transferring pictures wirelessly as you shoot on your social media. It has a powerful 860 mAh LPE10 rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can manage endless shots on a single charge throughout the day. The easy access to the buttons and ports along with the superior lens makes it super convenient to handle the camera even on the go and at all times of day or night. Reasons to buy. If you are an aspiring photographer or just someone who loves to click pictures, the Canon digital SLR camera is a perfect package of all the best features plus a great price. It is an amazing product coupled with the latest technology and specification to help you get the best shots and show off your photography skills. Hope this info was helpful in making an informed purchase. We shall see you soon with some more tech products. See ya.
Presenting the Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 megapixel DSLR camera. It uses a CMOS image sensor with optical viewfinder that ensures focusing is smooth, accurate and fast. Coupled with a Digic 4 Plus processor, the camera enables you to capture high-quality photographs in Full HD. It comes with a large 3.0 LCD with live view mode that allows you to capture crystal clear images. Its ISO 100 to ISO 6400 sensitivity range is suitable for high-quality photography in a wide range of lighting conditions. You can choose from 5 creative filter effects that allows you to define the mood of the setting. The camera comes with connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC to transfer your images and videos through the Camera Connect app. This camera comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, a battery charger, a 18 to 55 STM lens, 16 GB memory card and strap. This camera is available for purchase of 18 to 55 and 55 to 250 mm lens together. This Canon EOS 1500D comes with 2 years standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.